Some new toys arrived from Milwaukee today. I actually didn't even know they were sending anything, so let's see what they sent us. We will. Can you be quiet with that, please, dog? Alright, so I'm guessing this one is batteries, and we'll open it with the Milwaukee knife. Only seems fitting. Oh yeah! So we've got another 12 amp hour lithium battery and another 12 amp hour lithium battery. Amazing. The high output ones as well. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, that's why they've sent two 12 amp hour lithium batteries, because we have the new bad boy blower. Oh yeah. Wow, pretty stoked with that. Thank you, Milwaukee. What bloody legends. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Massive difference compared to the original single battery one that they've had out for a little while. This thing absolutely hammers it. So I think 600 CFM. Yeah, anyway, so batteries, new blower, amazing. What's in this one? I'm gonna guess header. Oh no. Interesting. We have another blower. Okay, one for each hand. Thank you, Milwaukee. Not too sure why I got two blowers, but hey, I'm not complaining. Thanks so much, Milwaukee. Really appreciate it. Have a great Christmas, team. And yeah, we charge some batteries up and do some blowing.